Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Here's a detailed explanation of customer retention rate in a contact center context. Let's start with the foundation, customer retention rate, or CRR. CRR is the percentage of customers a company manages to keep over a specific period of time. In a contact center, this number reflects how effectively the organization resolves customer issues, builds loyalty, and prevents churn. In simple terms, it's the inverse of churn rate and a critical measure of the long-term health of customer relationships. High retention means strong loyalty and stable revenue. Low retention is an early warning sign that something's broken in the customer experience. Customer retention rate, or CRR, is calculated using the following formula. Customer retention rate equals E minus N divided by S multiplied by 100, where E is the total number of customers at the end of the period. N is the number of new customers acquired during the period. S is the number of customers at the start of the period. In simple terms, you take the customers at the end, subtract the new ones, divide by the starting number, and multiply by 100. This shows the percentage of your original customers that stayed with you, giving a clear picture of your true retention performance. Let's look at an example scenario to understand customer retention rate in action. A telecom contact center begins January with 10,000 customers. That's S. During January, it acquires 500 new customers. That's N. At the end of January, the company has 9,800 customers. That's E. Using the formula, customer retention rate equals 9,800 minus 500 divided by 10,000 multiplied by 100. The result is 93%. This means the company retained 93% of its starting customer base during January. Let's look at the key components of customer retention in a contact center. A. Service quality metrics. First call resolution, or FCR. A higher FCR means more customer issues are resolved in a single interaction, which directly strengthens retention. Second, service level, or SL. Fast response times build customer confidence and reduce frustration. Third, average wait time, or AWT. Lower wait times lead to higher satisfaction, and higher satisfaction leads to higher retention. In short, strong service quality metrics lay the foundation for long-term customer loyalty. Now let's look at customer experience metrics and how they influence retention. Customer satisfaction, or CSAT. When satisfaction is high, the probability of retaining customers increases significantly. Net Promoter Score, or NPS. Promoters are more loyal and more likely to stay, while detractors are far more likely to churn. Customer Effort Score, or CES. The easier it is for customers to get their issues resolved, the higher their loyalty. In short, a smooth and positive customer experience creates a strong shield against churn. Let's talk about a critical driver of customer retention, agent performance. First, empathy and communication skills. When agents build real emotional connections with customers, they create trust. And trust is one of the most powerful shields against churn. Second, knowledge and consistency. When customers receive accurate, consistent answers every time, their confidence in the brand grows and their loyalty strengthens. Third, agent stability. When experienced agents stay longer, service continuity improves. Customers feel valued and understood, which deepens their connection to the company. Remember, agents aren't just solving issues. They're building relationships, and every great interaction strengthens retention. Let's talk about how proactive retention strategies can prevent churn before it happens. First, win-back outreach. Proactively reaching out to at-risk customers with personalized follow-ups shows them they matter. A well-timed message can turn a near loss into a loyal customer. Second, loyalty and rewards programs. Long-term customers should feel recognized and appreciated. Incentives like discounts, exclusive perks, or early access to offers can strengthen their emotional bond with the brand. Third, VIP handling. High-value and long-tenured customers deserve special attention. Prioritizing their needs, giving them faster service, and personalizing their experience can make a lasting difference. Remember, retention isn't just about reacting. It's about acting early to keep valuable customers close. Let's talk about how technology and AI are transforming retention strategies. First, predictive analytics. With the power of machine learning, we can identify customers who are most likely to churn before it actually happens. That means we can act fast and smart. Second, sentiment analysis. Real-time sentiment tracking helps us detect dissatisfaction the moment it surfaces. This allows agents and supervisors to intervene early and turn a negative experience into a positive one. Third, self-service and automation. Smart chatbots, intuitive IVR, and automated workflows reduce customer friction and deliver quick, effortless resolutions, keeping customers happy and loyal. Remember, when technology works hand in hand with people, retention power multiplies. In summary, customer retention rate reveals how well your contact center keeps customers loyal over time. A high CRR is a strong signal. It means your service quality is solid, your retention strategies are working, and customers trust your brand. But a low CRR is a red flag. It points to weaknesses in the customer experience or operational gaps that need immediate attention. Remember, retention isn't just a number. It's a reflection of the strength of your relationship with your customers. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.